Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do the airplane competition with my sister named Nevaeh and my cousins named Kaleb and. We're gonna see who could fly the airplane the furthest. Now we're playing the airplane competition. Kaleb's gonna go first.
What's up? Okay,
Chickens fly.
great throw.
Now my cousin Lincoln's next.
You fly with a snowmobile. Great throw.
Now my sister Nevaeh is next.
I'm a girl and I'm gonna beat these boys. That was the best throw I've ever done.
Now it's my turn to show them that I was done. Infinity and beyond. We can win that round. Let's see who can win the next round.
One more time.